Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make an evil eye keychain. So for that we require these materials. 4 colors of yarn, black, light blue, white and dark blue. And we require some fiber fill, a scissor, stitch marker and a darning needle. And I'm using 3 mm crochet hook. You can also use 3.5 mm based on your yarn. So let us get into the video. First we need to start with black color. So we take black color yarn and we have to make a magic circle. To make a magic circle, hold your yarn end like this and wrap it around your 2 fingers to form an X. Now hold this here with your pinky. Now insert your hook from under this line and pull this line through it. Now we have to make a chain here. So yarn over and pull through this loop on the hook. We have made a magic ring. We can check if this magic ring is correct or not by pulling this shorter end. If you pull this shorter end, if the ring size decreases, then you have achieved a perfect magic ring. Now we have to make 6 single crochets into this magic ring for round 1. So let us make them. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the ring. Make sure you are holding both of the yarns. Now insert your hook into the ring, yarn over, pull out a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both of the loops. So this is your first single crochet. We will mark this single crochet with a stitch marker so that if we want we can count it later. So I'll be marking it with a stitch marker. Now we need total of 6 single crochets in this magic ring. We have already finished one, so let us make 5 more. To make a single crochet, insert your hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Second single crochet is done. Always make sure you are working through both of these yarns. Okay. Now insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. 3 single crochets done. Now 4, 5 and 6. We have made total of 6 single crochets. Now we have to tighten this magic ring. Pull this shorter end tight. So this is done. Now we need to make a slip stitch into the first single crochet which we have marked with a stitch marker. So first remove the stitch marker and insert your hook into the hole, yarn over, pull through the hole and pull through the loop on the hook. So this is the slip stitch. Now we have to chain 1 to give height to the piece. To chain 1, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. Now we have to make, for round 2, we have to make 2 single crochets in each of the single crochet. That is, in first round we had 6 single crochets and now in second round we will have 12 single crochets. To do that, insert into the same single crochet which we have done the chain and yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. And as this is the first stitch for the round 2, we will be marking it with a stitch marker. After marking it, we have to do another single crochet into the same stitch. So insert into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2. We have to do, similarly we have to do 2 single crochets in each of the stitches. We will get 12 single crochets. So let us do. Insert the hook into the next single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert into the same single crochet, yarn over, pull through 2. Now let us complete this round and I'll meet you at the end. So now I am doing the last single crochet of this round. I have done 11 single crochets and now into the same stitch I have to do another single crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. But before finishing this single crochet, we have to change yarn color to blue, light blue. I'll show you how to change yarn color. Now I'll be showing you how to change the yarn color. So now I'm taking the light blue yarn and I'm just holding it behind my work like this, and the working yarn of black is here, and now I'll be working with light blue yarn. So yarn over and pull through these 2 loops. We have finished the 12th single crochet of second round. Now to finish this round, remove the stitch marker, insert your hook into the hole and yarn over, pull through the hole and pull through the loop. We can just hold it like this. Now I have this blue color yarn attached to our work. Now to increase the round, first we have to chain 1. Now this round will be of 12 single crochets. So we have to do 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. So let us do the single crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. This is the first stitch of round 3. So I'll be marking it with a stitch marker. Let us continue doing 1 single crochet in each stitch. 3, 4, and I'll meet you in the end of this round. So I have done 12 single crochets in round 3. Now let us complete this round. So note that I have this black yarn still attached it here. We will cut that later. So now to complete this round 3, remove the stitch marker, insert into it, insert into that stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and also through the loop on the. Now for round 4 we need to make a total of 18 single crochets. So the pattern will be 1 single crochet and 1 increase in the next one. So let us start with round 4. Now we need to make a single, I have made a chain and we need to make a single. So first to start round 4, yarn over and make a chain to give height. Now insert into the same single crochet and yarn over, pull through and yarn over, pull through 2. This will be the first single crochet of round 4. Now in the next stitch we have to do an increase. Increase means 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet. Now in the next stitch we have to do 1 single crochet, and in the next one we need to do 2 single crochets. So 1 2 1 2, this pattern will repeat and we will get a total of 18 single crochets for round 4, and I'll meet you at the end. So now I am doing 18th single crochet to complete the round 4, and in this single crochet we have to change color to white. So insert into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, and now take the white yarn and put it on back of the work, hold it here and yarn over and pull through both of these loops. Now take out the stitch marker, insert into the single crochet and yarn over and slip stitch. So we have attached the yarn, and leave these extra ends here. We will cut everything later. So to start the next row, chain 1 and make a single crochet, and I'll be marking this single crochet with a stitch marker. This is the first single crochet of round 5. This round will be of no increases, so one single crochet in every stitch, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. So now I have completed round 5 with white yarn. Now I'll remove the stitch marker and close this round with a slip stitch. We have 18 single crochets. Now in the next round, start with a single crochet and put the stitch marker, and again this round will be of increases. One single crochet and next one will be an increase. So the pattern will be one single crochet and one increase. So one single crochet and next one will be an increase. So we have to repeat this pattern all over, and we will get a total of 27 stitches. I'll meet you at the end of round 6. So now we are at the end of round 6 and on the 27th stitch. So in this stitch we have to change color to dark blue. Now I am changing color here. So put the yarn under the work and yarn over, pull through the single crochet. Now slip stitch into the first stitch. So to continue the next round, there will be no increases in this round, so you'll get a total of 27 single crochets, and I'll meet you at the end of this round 7. So now I have completed the last round of this keychain and I'll be fastening it now. So to fasten it, make a slip stitch, chain 1 and leave some length of yarn and cut it. Now pull this yarn through the chain and tighten it. Now I'll be showing how to fasten these ends. I'll just tie the ends with a knot like this, and repeat the same for remaining colors also. Then we can just trim off the excess. Now I'll just make 2 knots with 2 colors, and here last one. So all these knots will make it secure. Now I'll just hold them together and make sure you are not trimming this part. We need this to attach, and now I'll just trim these excess like this. So now this is clean and finished. We need to make 2 such parts to make a keychain. Now I'll show you how to attach these together. We need a darning needle to attach it. So I'll take the end of this yarn and insert it into the needle, and we need to attach through the single crochets on both sides. Now facing both fair side out like this, just insert it into the single crochets on either side. So like this, and now I will be inserting from this side into the next single crochets like this. Now from this side into the both layers. Now from this side. In the same way, stitch the two pieces together till here and leave some gap to fill it with the fiber fill. I'll show you how to do that. Now I have stitched till a small gap is left to fill the fiber fill, and let us fill it. Stuff the gap with the fiber fill. We need some more. After stuffing it with the required amount of fiber fill, we will again complete this. This would be sufficient. Now we can again stitch this gap, and I'll meet you at the end. Now I have last 2 stitches left, so let us complete it. And also from this side. So it is finished. Now to secure these ends, I'll just make 2 knots like this, and we have to hide these ends inside. To hide them, I'll be just inserting the needle here and insert these extra ends into the needle and pull them through the work so that the knot will hide inside. And now we can just trim off the excess. So now I am going to attach a key ring to this keychain. So I am just taking the ring and inserting it here. Now just put the keychain inside, and with the help of a plier just bring it close. That's it. So now, to give a clean finish to this keychain, we have to burn this extra lint with the help of a lighter. So this will give a clean finish to the keychain. This is our finished Evil Eye keychain. Hope you all liked the tutorial. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.